Hi, Miranda Wright here. Thank you for joining me. Let's say you're on my Instagram page checking out this cute little video I've got of Seth. This is my nephew. This is my gotcha. Or me as a gotcha. Doing a bit of Instagram stalking. There's my brother's stuffy dog. Okay. Up the top in the description is a link that says create a course mastermind workshop. Learn from Tony Robbins how. And there's a link there. What happens when you click that link? Let's find out. It'll take you to this page. Join Tony Robbins and Graziosi as they expose their never before shared secrets to create an abundant, impactful career by sharing what you already know with the world, okay? This is going to teach you how to create a knowledge product using the knowledge that you already have in your head, put together a product that you can sell and make money from. Okay, sound good? You're going to know how to market. You're going to want to know how to put together that product, market it, sell it, and you're going to need a platform to put this on, okay? So these guys here are going to show you how to do just that. Self-education is the future, according to Forbes.com. Says the knowledge industry will grow to 1 billion per day by 2025. Join the wave now. Okay, I don't just promote anything. I'm an affiliate of this training and product that they've put together, package that they've put together for people to help them make this process easier. And I'm an affiliate for this product, but I don't just promote anything. I promote this particular package because I can see the value in it as I study marketing, and I myself have been a creative entrepreneur. I've created a film, so I've needed to know how to market, put it together, market it, etc. And I've also been a makeup artist, and I struggled because I did not know how to market myself, okay? So there was a flow and effect that happened because I did not know how to market myself, okay? And treat myself like a product that makes money. Does that make sense? So I would have liked to have had this opportunity to learn from these guys and take advantage of the package that they're going to offer at the end of a free training. You can listen to the free training. You don't have to take them up on their offer, but it is available at the end. But yeah, just go and listen to the free training, see what they have to say. You've got nothing to lose. It's free. So why wouldn't you? Okay. This is for people that want to create a knowledge product, okay? That could be either creating an online course, an online mastermind, or an online workshop, or either of those things offline, okay? You can put together a course, mastermind, workshop, online or offline, and create it into a product that you can make money from. Using the knowledge that you already have in your head, you do not need to learn anything further except for how to package that product and how to market it and how to use a platform, which is really easy and simple. Okay, they couldn't have made it any more simple for you. So I see the benefit in this. This is why I promote it. Okay, as I study marketing myself, I have inside knowledge which tells me why this is so important and how it will benefit people wanting to create a product using the knowledge they have, especially creative entrepreneurs. Okay, and that could be anyone that plays music and wants to teach music to other people. You could work in the mining industry and you have knowledge that you could package up and sell to people. Okay, you could be an architect, you could be an artist, a painter, a dancer. You can teach people how to dance and make some side income. You do not need to take this up full time. This could be a side income to complement what you already do to make some extra money. Okay, the possibilities are endless. I'm just presenting this opportunity for you. I want to help people who are creative entrepreneurs. Specifically, that's my niche because I was once a creative entrepreneur. Does that make sense? So I'm speaking directly to you, but this can help a wide group of people. right? So this free training that they're providing for you will show you how to extract a skill, expertise, or passion you have and get a flood of people excited to pay you for it. Why writing a book, creating a course, or being a consultant is not the fastest way to impact and profits. The secret Tony and Dean both used when they first got started to launch their biz before they were experts. Okay, so perhaps you already know who Tony Robbins is. Next to him is Dean Graziosi. Dean Graziosi was inspired by Tony Robbins, and he created massive success in his own right. Okay, so you just click the button there to the call to action button there. Click here to save your spot now. When you reserve your seat, we will send you follow-up emails to make sure you don't miss your scheduled training. Plus, we will never share your information. Okay, so there's a bit more information, some what people are saying about it. When you click on the call to action button, it will take you to this where you enter your name, and I won't put that email in. It's an old email. Put that email in. Oh, shoot. I want to get that up again. Okay, so join the fun and come discover the KBB triangle. People are calling a life changer. This will schedule for the day that you put your email in and your name, but you can also choose the next day, okay? That's not appropriate for you. And click Save My Seat. This will pop up.
Hey, just a quick video. Say congratulations for taking action. A lot of people talk about it. They want more. They dream about it. They blame the president. They blame the economy, the world, but they don't take action. You did. And I'm just going to encourage you to continue this momentum. Like right now, put it in your phone. Write it on your refrigerator. Put it on your calendar, in your day planner. I don't know if there's going to be another opportunity to hang out with Tony and I for 90 minutes where we can show you how to extract that knowledge and create a way to impact the world and create revenue doing it. It's going to be something special, so you're not going to want to miss out. So right now, do whatever it takes. Write it down, book it, take off work, whatever you got to do. And I'd love to share a little something to do, an action step before you even arrive.
Yeah, this is a simple exercise I call core intentions. You know, so many times people struggle with, I wanted to achieve this.
Okay, so I'll let you listen to that yourself. Free bonus reminder, for all those that stay till the end of the training will get the KBB Triangle webcast workbook with never before seen notes from Tony, Dean, and Russell. Who's Russell? Russell is Russell Brunson, who owns ClickFunnels, who's a massive successful software company. Okay. You'll get a text message reminder and block out 90 minutes and show up early. Use a desktop computer. So there's your webinar link, and you can click on here to enter the training.
All right, I had to shoot a quick video. First off to say, you're awesome. You're like me. You showed up early. That's why you're even seeing this video, and you have your spot reserved, which is awesome. When the timer, I think there's a timer on this page, hits 0, that's when we start the training with Tony and I, and along with Russell Brunson. Be ready. And when I say be ready, that means on your desktop, which I hope you're on. If you can't, that's okay, but it's definitely a better experience. You'll have less distractions. Close out of all your tabs so it runs as fast as possible so the streaming video doesn't get delayed at all. Secondly, I hope you have a pad. I hope you have a pen. I hope you're ready to take notes. Third, eliminate any distractions. If you're in a room, close the door. If you have your phone because you're on a desktop, turn the phone off, shut the ringer off, shut it down, put it like where you can't even reach it. Listen, your next level of life is worth this. And when you see